What's going on there, YouTubers and video watchers and people of all creeds and colors? It's Big Sammy. So I just wanted to do a little video for you guys real quick and show you guys a little project that we did this weekend. This is the Florida room. As you guys might be watching other videos, you see it. Sometimes they start off in this little room. So it is a 10 by 15 or 10 by 14 room. 10 feet there, 10 feet over there, 14 feet here. And the little situation we had here was, we used to have curtain rods up on every window, and it looked cluttered up, and that's really not a good way to do it. You can put blinds in here, but I don't like to fasten blinds on the inside. I don't like them to hang out. They look kind of like jacked up then. So anyways, the old lady was looking at a process the other day online, and she was like, yeah, I seen where this person made rod holders out of PVC. So that's kind of what we did. I didn't really need to know exactly what they were talking about or what they were doing, but I'll show you guys. So what we did is we bought these panels offline, or she did. She bought, a panel for each window. Of course, we measured the panel and everything else. So when you close them up, you'll see the holder there and a holder at each window. And the reason why we do that is so it looks symmetrical, but at the same time, it makes a nice seamless stop. And then when you have your other one and it closes, it looks really nice like that. Gives darkness to it. See there? Looks nice. And then of course you're supporting the top rail when you put them close. So we figured, when we did all this, I told her, she asked me, she said, how much pipe or how big you think you should put your pipe? So of course PVC comes in different sizes. I went 3/4 on here. I like to go a little bit stouter than normal, and then that way you have plenty of strength whenever you put stuff on it. So just going over a few things. I know it's already done, but I just figured there is a lot of videos online, so I don't have to go through the whole process. So you get your measurements of your room. If it's under 10 feet, you can buy 10-foot piece, cut it off. If you're over 10 feet, which I am, I'll show you guys what I did. Okay, so right here, that's called a coupler, and you just buy the size coupler of your pipe. Like this is 3/4, so you get a 3/4 inch coupler, and this is a 10-foot pipe that goes along here. And then you got to add this, I think it was 4 feet. So I cut me a piece, stuck it in here. And then I went, hey, runner. And then when you get to your corner, that's a elbow right there. I just got the little joints covered up with the holder, so you can't really tell it's a piece of PVC, but you fit your other side in there and run that way. Like I said, it's kind of easier and a lot less expensive to do it this way, because you're gonna have to buy the blinds anyway. I mean the panels, if you do a curtain rod kind of deal. If not, there's my piece right there that I added. I had to add like 5 inches because it was a little bit over 10 feet. But yeah, you got to add your panel. You got to add your panel, or you got to get your panels anyways. People might be looking at this and that. Gee, Sammy, that's not less expensive. You figure a blind is only $10 at Walmart. But the thing is like you can't. I mean, you can put them into your window, but if you do that into your window, like on this edge or anything, or into this, you void the warranty on your window, and then of course you have an issue. And you could put it out here, but then I mean, to me, it doesn't look finished anyways. It looks like you're just throwing up some blinds. So yeah, you could do that. But I think with this one here, like you got just seen them closed, it looks a lot more presentable. When you do these things, make sure that, or well, you can glue them too. I didn't glue these because everything is tightly cut. So you just jam it in there real good, twist it in. That way you can always take these back down and you don't have to worry about, having something there. So like, eventually we're going to sell this house. I'm going to fix it up and sell it. Wait till the market gets on a high again. And so yeah, you can easily take them back down. You can utilize these and put like a metal rod up or whatever you may want to do. Another, thing when you are doing this, make sure that that little pipe is turned. Most of them are turned. I forgot about this one or didn't see that one. It is turn them letters inside. And then when you're fitting everything together, there's usually a stamp or like a little scan bar on these. So make sure you turn them all up so whenever you're looking at them, like here, you don't see any of those letters or anything like that. And we probably won't paint these. We'll try to leave them up here. Like I said, we're just giving ourselves some privacy, but also keeping it open. So anyways, I hope that helps somebody. Like I said, this little project here, with the drapes and everything else, I think we're probably about 150 bucks. Like I said, you could buy the blinds for $10 a piece and probably come out, $50 less. But this gives you a little bit more, I guess, seamless look and a little bit classier, I think, unless I'm putting just some plastic blinds up. All right, I hope that helps someone. And like if you guys have done this at your house, leave us a picture or like a link to, something you've done. Like I said, we're all trying to share information here and give people some different ideas and trying to help everybody out. So I appreciate y'all coming by. If you like our content, you like the way we say things and do things, leave us a like, comment, subscribe. If not, tell us what we could do better. I appreciate it. All right, you guys take care, and it's Big Sammy at you later on. Peace.